Alright, hi guys. Obviously, like I said, decided to try and change up the teaching method because I'm not sure the work I sent this week has been very easy to follow or do. So, like Hussein suggested we do, this week we're going to be doing adjectives. An adjective is a describing word. So, any word you use to describe a noun is an object. So, big, tall, small, red, blue, funny, quiet, all of these words are all adjectives. So today and tomorrow I'll be going over a few different types of adjectives, and then for the weekend I will set you a few more questions like I did before, and you can see if you find them a bit easier and a bit better to follow. So here I've just written up the definition, very, very simple definition of what an adjective is. So, like I said, an adjective is a describing word. So the first type of adjective we're going to look at is called a determiner. So now most people won't think of these as adjectives, but what they are doing is describing a feature of a noun. So, determiner. So the determiner just specifies which noun, which object you're talking about. So I could be talking about my hair, which is for me. I could be talking about your hair for you. I could be talking about his, hers. I could be talking about a tree. I could be talking about the tree over there. All of these, so my, your, these are all determiners. So when you use them, these basically will tell people which object, which noun you're talking about. So they're very simple. You all actually know these. You probably just don't think of them as determiners. But this is just the first type of adjective we're going to look at. Okay, so the second is, you could talk it. You could describe them as opinions. So. Alright, sorry about that horrible handwriting. So opinions just give you a general feeling, a general overview about the noun that you're talking about. So you could say good, bad, they're both opinions. Funny, useful, useless, beautiful, ugly, all of these are opinions. So good, bad, funny, useful. Okay, so all opinions of the object in question, of the noun in question. So you can have a funny car, you can have a good car, a bad car, a useless tool, a useless pen, a useless teacher, any of these things. So you're giving your opinion on your general overview, your general feeling towards the object that you're talking about. So, next one we're going to be talking about is size. So all adjectives to do with the size of an object. So the obvious ones, big, small. You can have tall, short, long, short again, fat, large, any of these. So big. These are all talking about the size. So big, small, fat, thin, long, so on, so on. Next you have the shape, so the shape of an object. So, for example, round, square. If you're talking about somebody's hair, you could describe it as straight. This also falls under the shape. You could describe it as curly. This is also about the shape. So yeah, shape. And finally, the last one I'm just going to tell you about today, the age. So how old the thing you're talking about is. Is it old? Is it young? Is it new? Is it ancient? Is it modern? So, any adjective talking about the age of a noun is falls under this category. Okay, so I've given you them in a certain order. So determiner, opinion, size, shape, and age. The reason I've done it like this, and tomorrow we will go over more, but just for these, is because we generally say adjectives in a specific order. Just because it sounds right to a native speaker. So this isn't a hard rule. Your English isn't necessarily wrong if you don't do it in this order. But it sounds more fluent if you can keep it in this order. Okay. So, for example, you could describe something as the useless, round, useless, small, square, old, chair. So, the tells you what I'm talking about, which chair. Useless is my opinion on it, not very useful, useless. Small, square, old, size, shape, age, and then you finish off with the noun you're talking about. Right, so sorry about the weird video and the weird angle. I will try and work on this for tomorrow. But if you have any questions, you have my phone number, you can put it on the group, or you can send me a message directly. Tomorrow we will go over the rest, and then I will take you some exercises for the weekend. Alright, have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon.